Welcome back to Sailing on LaVenture. We wake up at Norman's Key, kind of a partly sunny, partly cloudy day, and watch a freighter come in and actually XL water ballast, so it gets into very shallow water to deliver construction equipment for a build site. Pretty amazing sight. We raise the anchor and head out, and great wind but smooth seas. Then I almost lose the drone. I'm able to retrieve it, and then a squall ahead of us just before we reach Nassau. We dock, have a great, memorable evening at the poop deck, and we're all set the next morning to head for Chubby.
Well, it's about 6:15 in the morning, and there is a huge freighter that's coming in right next to us. So this will be close, but you'd think that this is pretty shallow, but apparently he can make it through. Well, apparently they're pulling it off.
Well, it's shallow right over there, you can see. But maybe right around the dock, right where they are, unless we keep drops over here somewhere. It's almost like he's gonna put that down on
Well, it is 7 o'clock in the morning, and we are headed to Nassau. Back, Randy. Down at the very last there.
Whoa, 12 seconds. Boy, it's like super heavy. Yeah. Watch your foot.
Like they're using this ship here to bring in heavy equipment to finish this house up. Okay. And we are off to Nassau. Looks like got a few waves here this morning. Always beautiful, always different. Always clear. Well, we're still sailing toward Nassau. It's going to be quite a long day of sailing, but wonderful as usual. And as you can see, there's not a lot of boat traffic out here. Whoops! Where did he come from? Well, this is one of the smaller boats we come across. It's probably, what is that, 18 feet long? Is that 18 foot runabout? No, maybe a little bit bigger. We're going the other way.
Okay, we're on our way to Nassau today. The wind is finally building a little bit, so we're dodging the rain and got some wind, got full sail up. Kind of going around a few coral heads here or there, but smooth sailing all the way to Nassau and the poop deck tonight.
It's the fire in the rain. It's the smile drown within the pain. It's the logic but insane. You cannot know from where it came. It's the way you cross the floor before you head on out the door. It's the figure on the wall.
There he is. Hey, no hands. Wow. Wow. Isn't that something? You learn quickly, aren't you? You're a quick study.
Yeah, when I'm awake.
That's right. I still think you're funny.
So I'll give it 2 days.
Well, that's all I got left about it. Well, no, unfortunately, you know, as time goes back, it seems like time's going pretty quick.
It's going pretty quick.
It really is.
Yeah.
We got a few more days.
It seemed like just yesterday we got here.
Yeah, well, got somewhere.
It's already Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know it.
Start of another work week.
That's where every day is a Saturday.
Only Tug can survive.
You didn't. Oh, you launched it without. Bring it back. It's launched. Looks like it. It looks like we got a premature launch today. Okay, let me see if I can get up there and do this and stay out of Randy's way. There we go. It's out. Up and flying. All right. Well, do you want me to get out of the way? Still here, out of the ocean. Steve, you've got some real responsibility. You're not even on autopilot. You're just a pilot. Now it's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. You see it, don't you? Right toward it. Yeah, it's coming right toward you, and it looks like you got it. Oh. Closer. Got it close now. Blocked by the wind here. Got it. All right, good job. Wow. Hey, but it was good video, Randy.
Well, there's no video.
No, I've got. Oh, because
you got your video.
Oh, I got the video.
Yeah. Wonderful day at sea. Great friends. We've got great wind, and the sea is pretty smooth.
Taking that jib down, or I didn't. I watched Randy take the jib down. Steve is at the helm, heaven forbid.
Admiral Blocky. To you?
What did you say?
Admiral Blocky to you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So I want a video, but I also want to be out of the way. Let's see, how do you do that?
Out of the way. Okay, get us into the wind.
dry very long. Wow.
That's why they're kind of.
I think we're gonna get our cords up right away too. Lined up. Get our cords lined up here.
Yeah, with her to slam on there and get the get the fenders out there.
Oh. There we go, into the wind. A little whiff of diesel and then
All set.
there we go.
Do we have some soft coat? Yeah, we have.
See, we got a lot of sail to bring. Great job. You are a pro.
You can see me sweat.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm sweating this one.
Yeah, well, it's good you were able to direct Randy on how to get that sail down.
Oh yeah, good help.
You're the man.
You could turn on back on the course.
Okay. You give me.
Oh, hold on a second. We got to go back to Steve turning back on the course.
There you go.
I was. Yeah, we do. There we go. You are the best. The best. And I hope you're giving Randy some good pointers this 8 days or so we're spending together.
Oh yeah, he needs those.
He does.
Yeah. It's too bad you guys just don't get the whip diesel on the video.
Yeah, we need a scent camera.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I've got a few waves and rain. Okay, we got to get the bumpers out and find out because we're going into Nassau. Is that right, Steve?
We are.
We are.
Yep.
That's right. So we got. That's right, for dinner.
For dinner.
That's right. We have places to go and people to see. All right. Okay, Steve, what's Randy doing here?
Putting up the jib.
Okay.
We're gonna do some motoring with the jib.
Okay.
We put the jib up because we can get it down very easily when we come in.
Okay, good. So what do we got coming up here, Steve?
We got a frog strangler.
Yeah. What's a frog strangler?
Raining so hard the frog strangled.
Is that?
Yeah, breathe.
I see.
Not a Chamber of Commerce day.
I see. And so that means we've got rain. We're going into rain?
Heavy rain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have your rain gear on?
Not yet.
No, I think we should, right?
I got my beach wear though.
Okay, good.
Look at that.
Nice.
Island gear.
Yeah.
Flamingo.
Hey, Randy, we'll edit that later. I don't think we need to see that. It's kind of ugly. All right. Well, I might put my little raincoat on too.
Okay, so starboard side tie up. Okay. Okay, well we'll call you on the radio when we get close. Okay, thanks. Bye.
So we're starboard side.
Starboard side.
Sounds good. Thanks.
So
So we're sailing into a 32 or 33 knot headwind, and see we're going to be passing a monohull here, and they're pretty exposed. So I'm sure they're getting a lot of rain right now. This catamaran is just so solid you just wouldn't believe. So smooth. So Randy, we're in a what's the headwind right now we're going into?
30 knots.
30 knots? Yeah. Okay. It was a little higher than that a few minutes ago. All right. Okay, Bill, tell me what we've got here.
This is a hog snapper, one of the best fish in the whole Bahamas.
Oh, really?
Grilled on a flat grill, garlic butter, paprika, lemon pepper seasoning. They're one of the best fish you taste in the whole world.
Really?
I can guarantee that.
I love to hear that.
Yes, almost like Grandma used to make it.
No, well, your grandma. My grandma didn't make it. My grandma made, you know, spaghetti and meatballs. And
Yeah, well, I'm gonna tell you, that's gonna be one of the best food you ever taste right there.
Thank you, Bill.
All right.
And this will go out to everyone.
Yeah.
Because we're going to YouTube on this thing, so
right.
on this trip.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for the mask.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. I'm just going to just do a quick little. Beautiful place. And Randy will tell you he was here 49 years ago. Unbelievable. Hi Steve, how are you?
I'm doing well, great.
Good, good. And so, what did you order for dinner?
I think it's hogfish.
Hogfish.
The catch of the day with potatoes and vegetables.
Wow, relatively healthy.
Yes,
It is.
that's what we're looking at.
And Randy, what the heck are we doing here? Thank you. What are we doing here?
So we're in Nassau,
Okay.
and we're at the poop deck.
Okay.
And the poop deck was opened in 1973. And 1973 is a big year. It's a big year for the poop deck opening and also for the Bahamas, because that was the year they declared their independence from Britain. And I was down here at this very place at the end of that dock, sailing on a schooner graduating from high school. It opened with the poop deck. So
Wow.
this is like coming back, you know, 49 years, and it's amazing. And it's the same place, same great food, same great people. So we're excited to be here. They gave us a waterfront table that they
Right,
call
with best table in the house.
Table with, yeah, best table in the house. And we've been meeting great people here and meeting great staff. So it's a wonderful evening.
Great. Well, wonderful. Okay, thanks for sharing, Randy. Bye.
What a great day. Lots of memories, smooth sailing. We recovered the drone and a squall at the last minute that washed all the salt away and gave us great cold showers for dinner. Great dinner at the poop deck, new memories, remembering old memories.
This is as good a day as any.
We are off to Chuck Key in the morning. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next week as we
The roads
travel
that
to
lay
Chuck Key.
open are many. When the old one's gone under,